What's up? We back here with another unboxing. Today we got the Reso Pilot Pro intercom. So this mount up to your helmet, make it way easier for you when you're riding, talk on the phone, listen to music. You see my helmet, I got a nice helmet. I feel like I could match the bike a little bit. I try to find something that's close to the color, but you know, I think this will work. So in a second, we're gonna unbox this, see what's inside, get it mounted to the helmet, man, test it out. All right, before we get into the unboxing, I want to point out a couple of features that stood out to me. For one is the camera direct connection. Just in case you like moto vlogging and doing stuff like that, you could connect the intercom straight to your camera like your GoPro or your Insta360. It also has AI noise reduction. This will really help when you ride and fighting against the wind noise. Smart voice assistant. You got tracking your rides. You could also connect up to 30 riders on this live intercom. So you ride in a big group, everybody wants to stay connected. It's easy connecting, you know, stay in contact, keep everybody updated on the ride. All right, let's get into it, man. See, I'm going with a new look today. I got my helmet on, Reso mounted up. It's connected to my phone right now, but I really want to connect to the 360 camera so we can touch the road, take a ride, and see how this intercom really performs on the road using a mic. A little better here because it'll be hooked up to the camera. So this is my first time connecting this camera to the intercom. So give me a second, then we're gonna touch the road. Make sure you come stick around so you can ride with me. All right, man, we finally on the road. I got the Reso Pilot hooked up to my camera, my Insta360. So we're gonna ride around the city a little bit, hit some highway. You see how it does with the noise cancellation. I'm gonna do a little ride with the windshield down. I'm also gonna do something with it up. See how I handle the wind. But yeah, man, it's a beautiful day in Miami, man. Like almost 90 degrees out here. Feels so weird wearing a helmet, man. If you've been following the channel, you know I usually never wear a helmet when I ride. I just had to wear a helmet to test out this motorcycle intercom, man, made by Reso. All right, we just touched down at Fort Lauderdale, y'all. So far, let me know in the comments how y'all feel about this mic audio, quality of this audio, man. Keep in mind, while I'm recording right now, I cannot hear the audio, so I'm just talking to the mic and hoping that it sounds good. Being that this intercom is not cheap, it's like $399 retail. I got high expectations for it, man. I'm expecting the best quality out of it. We gonna find out. Plenty of traffic out here today, man. I don't know what's going on. Not lunchtime, not rush hour time. Just everybody on the road today. I know everybody moved to South Florida, man, down here, so it's like really overly crowded with traffic. Everybody got somewhere to be. Man, when riding bikes, you gotta like really pick your outfits wisely, like. I know it's all hot and all outside, so I went with the shorts, but when you're on a bike, that engine be super hot, so my legs on fire right now. I should've worn some jeans. Fort Lauderdale, so I'm trying to behave a little bit with the traffic. I ain't trying to really get into it with these people. The Reso got AI noise cancellation, so it's supposed to get the noise out of there pretty good. That's most definitely needed when you fight against this wind out here on a motorcycle. We're now going over the bridge to Fort Lauderdale Beach. You can smell the ocean from here. Saltwater fish. I think I'm gonna stop and get me a drink real quick. Woo! Super hot out here today. Go ahead and get me a little coconut water. Hello, how you doing? I don't got my usual coconut water. Let me go ahead and try this. Oh. Got my coconut water. I'm gonna sip on this real quick. That's my first time having this one. I ain't gonna lie, this tastes fire. We got new wave right here. Cocoa love. Damn, it tastes like it's fresh out of coconut. Welcome to Fort Lauderdale Beach. Come and enjoy the view, the breeze with me. This beach might be a little underrated, man, compared to South Beach.
I got action.
I ran into these two tourists on the bus stop, introduced myself, offered them a ride, but I was just joking because I only had room for one. When I first started riding motorcycles, I seen dudes on other motorcycles put their hand down like this to the left. I was thinking they was pointing out something to me, like something was wrong with my bike or whatever, until I had to learn. That's like a little salute, like between the motorcyclists, man. That's a sign of respect. I ain't gonna lie, to me, I really like Fort Lauderdale Beach better because the water is right there. Like you can see it from the road. You ain't gotta walk too far. You got the hotel across the street. It's a little bit more bougie, man. I don't think right here you can do no barbecue or nothing like that. You know, it's a nice scenery, man. If you ever in South Florida, you should check it out. Go for a swim with the sharks. They don't mean no harm. One thing about this intercom, you can connect up to 30 riders on here. Like, it's good for ride outs and, you know, and group rides, everybody can stay connected. The main thing I like about this intercom, you could make phone calls, you can listen to music. Like, you really don't have to be digging in your pocket trying to get your phone out and trying to hear over the wind. Yo, who this is? What you say? You hear everything nice and clear through the speakers in your helmet. Yeah, man, it's a good scene to drive down. You on vacation out here in Miami, Fort Lauderdale. Come check it out. Got a lot of restaurants on the strip. Nice ocean view, palm trees. If you're looking at the ocean, maybe you just want to jump in right quick, take a swim. Excuse me, you think you can do me a favor? You think you can take a picture for me? Can you do it sideways with this background?
Yeah.
I don't want you to get hit by a car though. No, you can't do it from this way? Should I come on the sidewalk so you won't get hit by a car?
Go ahead. You didn't move.
Oh.
Oh, shit. I took a
Thank
ride.
you. I wish I had room to take both of you for a ride, but.
No, I tried.
All right. I ain't gonna lie, I always wanted to get on a dirt bike with some good fresh knobby tires and slide down this beach like full throttle. Had a whole Fort Lauderdale police task force behind me. Like, I know they ain't gonna play about this beach. One thing about Miami weather is gonna be bipolar. It's gonna be sunny over here, like a storm coming this way. Things can change in a matter of minutes, so don't get too comfortable. Fresh out the box, I did not get a chance to charge the Reso, but it was on like 60% battery life, and they said I had like 9 hours to go, so I can imagine when it's fully charged how long it can last for you. I'm sure we got to worry about charging the battery too much, or not, at least in a day's ride. To make it through a full day's ride without the battery dying on you. If you ever down here in Fort Lauderdale area, man, you want to have a little nice little lunch on the water, come to Coconuts right here. Not too expensive, good food, nice drinks. If you've been subscribed to the channel for a while and you've seen my videos, you know I like never wear a helmet, man. I just had to for this video. That's the only way I could have tested out this motorcycle intercom. But I ain't gonna lie, I'm actually kind of enjoying it. So when I put the visor down, I feel like my head is in the car. I ain't gotta worry about no wind, no bugs. I might start riding with this on a dirt bike. I can't wait till I get a quick shift on this bike, man, so I can stay in that throttle. Got lucky today, the bridge not up. No yachts coming through at the moment. Look at that sky though. Look at that sky. It's gonna fall down. I wish I had somebody to ride with who I could like hook up to another intercom with, see how that works, but really nobody ride with me with a helmet or have intercoms, so I'm gonna just test it out by myself today. I got a real good feeling I'm gonna get caught in the rain today. But it's so hot out, I wouldn't even mind at this point. So last time I was on the highway, most of the time I had the visor down. I think I'm gonna lift it up this time and see how it does. Oh, I felt the raindrop. It's time to go. State troopers got drones on I-95 these days, man. I don't know if it's in South Florida yet, but I seen it on Instagram. So let me slow down before they send me a ticket in the mail. You gotta have your eyes in the sky these days. Never know who watching. I know early on I mentioned that this intercom is a little expensive. At $399, I feel like they're quite worth it. Make life a little convenient for you. Good quality. I definitely know I'm gonna be using these more often. So I'm about to get caught in the rain, y'all. I told you, man, the weather down here can change in a second. It was just 85 degrees, sun blazing. Now I'm in the middle of a storm. If you enjoyed the video, man, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Drop a comment down there. Woo! Like I'm getting hit with 100 rocks right now, little pebble. Oh! And it's cold. Woo! Ah, shit. I'm literally soaked right now. Like I just died into a pool. Damn! Told y'all about that Miami weather, man. When you pack your clothes on vacation, make sure you pack clothes for the rain and the beach.